Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up shipping or how to offer shipping on Facebook Marketplace. So now the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So now that you entered the marketplace, you will need to know an important thing. The shipping option is not available on all the countries. So basically, you should make sure that the shipping option is already is enabled on country or available on your country. Then you will need to go to your listing by going to your listing here and then go to edit your listing, and down at the bottom here before the privacy method. So here in this section you will find something or a section concerning the payment method or the shipping method. You can find like a shipping setup shipping method, or you can find just a local delivery. As you can see, I only have local delivery because the shipping method is not available on my country. So basically, if it is available, you will find it here, and then you will need just to click on setup shipment, shipping, and then you will need just to add some informations after a window will pop up here in the middle of the window, and then you will just confirm all the informations, and then you will be able to offer shipping for your listing on Facebook Marketplace. So this is how it works. Thank you for watching and see you next time.